In this tutorial, I'll show you how to seamlessly integrate an image into text using Canva. To begin, you can either select an image from Canva's library or upload one from your computer as background. Head to the Apps tab and search for Font Frame. Set your desired text, customize its style, and adjust the outline width to your preference. Click on Use Selected Image to choose an image from Canva's library, or click on Choose File to upload an image from your computer. Once you've selected the image, press Add to Design to merge the image with the text. And there you have it. Your image is now placed inside the text in Canva, all done.